Oh, my camera's not focused. Oh, I need to adjust it. Oh, I'm not complaining. I'm not crying about that. I don't hear people complaining, oh, the camera's overheating. Well, I got some fish cooking. I need to do one of these. Take the tin foil, flip it around. I do need to get the fish going. You better believe it. Close it on down. We got one more turn, and the dish is done. Only the next one, it'll go on fire. That flame starting up. And that's how I use my DJI sometimes. I'll put it in the barbecue. I'll let it cook it up. But, no flame there. But flame here and flame there. On that note, have a great day. Enjoy the fish.